Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be making a mouth-watering low-carb keto cheesecake that's not only incredibly creamy but also guilt-free. Ingredients: 11 net cups almond flour, 11 cups unsweetened shredded coconut or unsweetened coconut flakes, and a 5 ft gram in sugar to half cup to butter melted a 1/2 teaspoon ground nutmeg. Wait. Before starting the video, I introduce you with Icaria Lean Belly Juice, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. In a bowl, combine 2 cups of almond flour with 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix it until it forms a crumbly texture. Press this mixture into the bottom of a greased 9-inch springform pan to create a nice even crust. We'll place the pan in the fridge while we work on the cheesecake filling. This in a large mixing bowl. Add 2 softened 8-ounce packages of cream cheese. Mix everything until it's well combined. Beat the cream cheese until it's smooth and creamy. Add 1 cup of powdered erythritol, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, add 3 large eggs, one at a time, mixing after each addition until the batter is silky smooth. Pour the cheesecake filling over the almond flour crust in your springform pan. Now it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 325 Hz for 125°C, and there you have it. A decadent, low-carb keto cheesecake that's perfect for satisfying your sweet cravings while staying in ketosis. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Ready to say goodbye, stubborn belly fat? Get Icaria Lean Belly Juice. Smoothies, click the link in the video description below.